Remus & Sons Plumbing and Sewer Company, the affordable family plumber. Serving the southwest suburbs for 30 years, we provide service to both residential and commercial customers. Services include sewer and drain service, gas and water repairing, water heaters, sump pumps, ejector pumps, video line inspection, and power rotting. We also provide service for toilets, tubs, faucets, and fixtures, flood controls and cleanouts, and basements and bathrooms installed. And we have the same low rates nights and weekends. No job too big or too small. Call 708-361-7839.